This is body repair. Today, we want to take you through the process of what actually goes into fixing your vehicle. We're going to show you some clips of a body technician taking off a quarter panel and another body technician reassembling a vehicle. Let's take a look. Here we have one of our body technicians removing the quarter panel of this vehicle. As you can see, the cut lines are taped out as per OEM procedures. The body technician has to grind away certain materials in order to correctly remove that quarter panel. Once he cuts and removes this quarter panel, he can then successfully reinstall the new quarter panel based on those OEM procedures. That could mean welding, bonding and riveting, and other different methods of reattaching. When replacing structural panels like quarter panels, there are different methods that each OEM has for that vehicle. Sometimes panels are bonded and riveted back into place. This is essentially taking screw-like objects that go into the panel along with a high-end super glue that allows the panel to stick back in place and create a solid structure. Some OEMs would rather have the panel spot welded on. As you can see in this video, one of the technicians is spot welding a panel back onto the vehicle after removing the old one. Here at the 427 Auto Group, we only use OEM procedures to do our repairs. That means whatever your car company requires us to do, we do it when repairing your vehicle. It could be one of these methods, some of these methods, or all of these methods. Depending on your vehicle, all you have to know is that it will be done correctly based on their methods. And that's body repair. If you have any questions, please reach out to your customer service representative.